This exercise is called the supine march. Supine just means lying on your back, and march we will find out in a second. This exercise is for the transverse abdominis, or the deepest layer of your abdominal muscles. We've talked in other videos about how just strengthening your core isn't going to be enough to fix your low back pain or fix your hip pain, but we also want to make sure we don't neglect the abdominal muscles and make sure we're targeting every single layer. Oftentimes when we do things like sit-ups all day long, that targets a layer called our rectus abdominis, or those six-pack abs. Here we're going for the transverse abdominis, the muscles that actually span and are deeper down and connect and actually help our spine more. So the exercise, we're going to lie on our back, and then low back is going to get pressed down to the mat. So we're not going to feel any airspace or airtime in between that low back and that mat. Low back is going to be pressed down, and then abdominal muscles are going to start to get pressed out on either side of our belly button. So almost like if you were to cough or laugh, you can feel the muscles on either side of your belly button starting to push out. So you're going to push both low back into the ground and abdominal muscles out. Maintaining that position, you're going to march one foot up and down, up and down. You can put hand underneath your low back so that you can ensure that you're keeping that pressure on that hand at all times. So when you lift your opposite leg, you shouldn't start to feel your back lift off that hand. So the entire time we're working on keeping pressure on that hand as we march back and forth. Hope this helps. As always, go to chainreactionpt.com if you have any questions.